Welcome students, subject Max 2, Standard 9th. Chapter number 2, Parallel Lines. Practice set 2.1. Question number 1. In the figure, line RP is parallel line MS and line DK is their transversal. Angle DHP is equal to 85 degree. Find the measures of the following angles. 1. Angle RHD. 2. Angle PHG. 3. Angle HGS. 4. Angle MGK. Solution. First we will find out angle RHD. It is given that angle DHP is equal to 85 degree. Already you know angle DHP plus angle RHD is equal to 180 degree since they are linear pair. Therefore, 85 degree plus angle RHD is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle RHD is equal to 180 degree minus 85 degree. We will get 95 degree. Therefore, RHD is equal to 95 degree. Now we want to find out angle PHG. Already we know angle PHG is congruent to angle RHD since they are vertically opposite angle. Therefore, angle PHG is equal to angle RHD. Therefore, angle PHG is equal to 95 degree. Third, angle RP is parallel to line MS and line DK is the transversal given. Angle DHP is congruent to angle HGS since they are corresponding angles. Therefore, angle DHB is equal to angle HGS. Therefore, angle HGS is equal to 85 degree. Also, angle MGK is congruent to angle HGS because they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle MGK is equal to angle HGS. Therefore, angle MGK is equal to 85 degree. The answers are angle RHD is equal to 95 degree. Angle PHD is equal to 95 degree. Angle HGS is equal to 85 degree and angle MGK is equal to 85 degree. Question number 2. In figure, line P parallel to line Q and line L and M are transversal. Measures of some angles are shown. Hence, find the measure of angle A, angle P, angle C and angle T. Here the solution. Angle A plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree as they are in a linear pair. Therefore, angle A is equal to 180 minus 110 and therefore angle A is equal to 70 degree. Consider angle Z shown in the figure. Line P is parallel to line Q and line L is the transversal. Angle Z plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Thus, they are interior angles. Therefore, angle Z is equal to 180 minus 110 degree. Therefore, angle Z is equal to 70 degree. Now we will find out angle B is congruent to angle Z that we know because vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle B is equal to 70 degree. Now it is given that line P is parallel to line Q and line M is its transversal. Therefore, angle C is equal to 115 degree as they are corresponding angles. Angle D plus 115 degree is equal to 180 degree as they are in a linear pair. Therefore, angle D is equal to 180 minus 115 degree. Therefore, angle D is equal to 65 degree. Here the answer is angle A is equal to 70 degree, angle B is equal to 70 degree and angle C is equal to 115 degree and angle D is equal to 65 degree. Thank you.